the turtle. I am the tail, the flips in the night. I am the green.
Say hi, Dylan.
Dad, please may I see in here, please?
Not right now.
Please.
No, son, it's not a toy. Sorry.
Hey, you scoot over. Scoot over. Scoot over. Scoot over.
Who's your friend? What's her name?
Her name is Becky. She has broken teeth.
Uh-oh. What happened, Becky?
One fell on the ground. One fell on the
What
ground.
happened?
And what happened to your teeth? One fell on the ground. And what happened to the other teeth? She did. You guys know who my uncle is? You know what my uncle is? His name is Uncle Britton. He has new teeth.
What kind of teeth?
New teeth.
Oh, you mean braces?
Yeah, with no.
Little wires?
Yeah, those white things.
Oh.
The gold things in the films in the mouth.
Uh-huh.
Where you don't get ticked and they don't. If you get ticked and you go to the dentist and you pick the tooth out and cry and.
Oh, he was making his teeth straight, huh? Braces are for making your teeth straight, so they'll grow straight and beautiful.
Yeah, you get the beautiful stars.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah, Dad, I wish I would go up to the moon.
You do?
Yeah. Because when I saw on my vacation, I saw a big, giant, yellow, big moon. It was a big one, just like an egg. My hiding place is right there. It's too short.
Show me.
Big.
Show me.
Right there.